All right. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to another live stream. I just clicked on the wrong scene. Whatever. Um, we're back. It's been a day. I'm feeling great because I made this thing consistent finally. So we're consistent with the live stream. I mean, I'm not saying I'll do it every day, but I'll try to do it whenever I can. So yeah. Anyways, we're back with the Ratworks number 2. I am trying to set my mic gain because yesterday I realized the mic gain was a bit too high. I didn't like that, so I'll just set it a little bit low. And yeah, as always, if you're watching and if you're interested or if you have any questions, please just say something in the chat. And yeah, let's just dive into it. Today I actually have a list of things that I want to check out. So we are prepared. There's an issue 2077. Let's check that out. I think that was a bit interesting, so I saved it for today. It was probably created 2 months ago or something, but whatever. So let's just see. Loop. Okay. I'm gonna just pull up the repo. Okay, we won't be able to find it here, so I'm gonna just type in the number. Alright, 3 weeks ago. No replies yet. Let's see. This is definitely interesting. 1 second, by the way. Let me pull up the AI so that we'll get some help from it if needed. Okay. Feature flagged methods in the backend trait cause issues with the feature unification. Problem. The backend trait contains 2 methods: scroll region up, scroll region down. Okay, let me pull up the docs. Go to alpha, backend, scroll region up, scroll region down. All right. They are feature flagged. Yeah, I think these are like scroll region. Wait. Are these like feature flagged? 1 second, I'm gonna compare it with the stable release. Scrolling regions only. Well, why are these not feature flagged? Scrolling regions. I think this is now default or something. Why does it? Wait, this is a bit interesting. Anyways, let's just take a look at the code to verify, I guess. So scroll region down. We're gonna take a look at backend trait. Okay, this is being feature gated here, so that's correct. Sorry, I'm just like moving a bit slow just to make sure everything is right in my mind and also in the issue. So let's see. In third-party Ratatui backends haven't implemented these methods, so if you add one of these third-party backends as a dependency while having scroll regions enabled, it will fail to compile. Additionally, since the scrolling regions flag must be enabled to implement these methods. So, okay. Every third-party backend will either have the enable the scrolling regions flag unconditionally or create its own flag and instruct users that the 2 feature flags must be kept in sync. One use case for this project: multiple backends. Say you want to make an app that runs both natively and in the web, so you have both custom backend and Ratatui in your dependency tree. This doesn't support scrolling regions. Building with all features will fail. In this case, you could get around it by using conditional dependencies based on target architecture. Okay, let me actually check if that's the case. So let's go here. Okay, so Ratatui features. Let's enable scrolling regions. Let's see if it's gonna build or not. Yep, that's true. So solution. There are a few things we could do to avoid the need for feature flagging the trait methods. Instruct backends that don't support scrolling agents to throw an error. This will require a bit of factoring since it currently doesn't call scroll region up down until it. Okay. Have another method in the backend like support scrolling regions. Have a default implement in the backend trait that. Okay, let me actually check that function. What is this doing exactly? I gotta get a summary because I don't remember. What is that scrolling? Oh 07, hey man, welcome to the stream. Thanks for all the hearts. I don't know why we didn't make this the default behavior. Like, let me actually see the backend traits. Where is this being used actually? Insert before. This is just the method of the terminal. Okay, I got it. Yeah, I think having a default implementation would be nice for that trait function. Got it. Okay. Alternatives: leave the behavior as is and force third-party backends to make their own scroll regions feature flag, or accept the fact that they won't compile with scroll regions enabled. Okay. And just reply. That was all features, right? Okay, let me just respond to these solutions. I don't get this one actually, so let me just try to get a clarification. Help me understand the first solution option. I see. This could be nice, however.
Lucky.
Yeah, I don't like this actually. I don't like this new runtime method. If the user
Okay.
feels very specific. If the user needs this kind of a function, then he probably also solve this in a different or this doesn't make sense. Will probably be required for advanced use cases. And even then, I think those could be sold in a better way. Oh, default implementation, the backend trade, yeah.
It doesn't take much to poison a young man's soul, particularly a soul who paid helplessness.
Okay, I'm just gonna post this comment. Alright. Cool. Guys, I just realized we have this banner in the website. It has been a month or maybe more than a month since the banner is outdated, so I'm just gonna really quickly remove that banner. Just clean off. Okay. Okay, so rat in the wild. So remove this banner. Remove banner. Okay. Just create a PR real quick. I also need to fix this GIF. It's been broken for a while. I'm actually curious if we can fix it now. We were using VHS for that. Charm. Let's see. Let's see if I have the latest version. Yeah, I have the latest version. So this is... Which image is that actually? It's demo 2. Okay. So Ratatui. Examples, apps, demo 2. Do we have the VHS tape for that? No. Where's that? Okay, VHS. I think it's here. Demo 2 tape. Let me just run this. Also, let me just drink water. Guys, welcome to the stream. Please remember to drink water and say hi in the chat and just chill. Alright, so this is the demo 2. Dude, why am I getting notifications? Let's just run the VHS tape. Forgot to drink water. Let me just do that real quick. Thanks, Nemco. What's up? What is poppin'? Okay, let's see the demo 2. By the way, you might have influenced Linus. He now has a pedal. What pedal? Linus pedal. What the fuck? No way. No fucking way, dude. Damn, okay. I'm just gonna give it a star. Interesting. I'm gonna save this for later. I'm gonna check it out, but thanks for letting me know. That's very interesting. I mean, of course, I know Linus is following me for a while and trying to like copy whatever I do, but I mean, fine, cool. I was not around for a while, I saw that. Okay. I don't know what's wrong with my VHS, bro. Like, look, this is like corrupted as shit. Yeah, thanks. Thanks for sharing, man. Maybe it's because of my machine or something. I don't know. I can try on Western. This is a light theme. Sorry, I was like doing a presentation and it's now stuck in a light theme. I can just take it. Oh, I have a wait. It's actually pretty cool. So I have a key binding in Western which enables me to switch from dark theme to light theme, and I think it was Control T. Okay, there you go. That's very cool. I like when, oh shit, I just like closed all the eternal tabs. Anyways, I like when I'm able to do customizations like that. So it's like a key binding. Yeah, flashbang mode. So what I was doing is I just need to go to not Ratatui, but Ratatui. Ratatui examples VHS. Yeah, that would be nice. You could probably do that, by the way. It's Lua, so you can just write that yourself. Actually, 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 you know what I'm gonna do, right? And this Western Lua config. Play flashbang MP3 when I press the key. Yeah, there you go. So what you gotta do is I'm just gonna copy this, I guess, and that's it. Just need to place this file somewhere. I'm gonna place it in, I think I have an audio. Yeah, I have an audio folder. So I'm gonna just I need to find the flashbang sound effect. No, that's fine. It's gonna be quick. Oh wait, I think I have downloaded it before. I'm just gonna copy it from downloads. CSGO or something. Namco, just find that for me, please. I cannot find it. Flashbang P3. Okay. No, this is not what I want. I want to. You know what I want, right? Oh yeah. Maybe this. The fuck? Yeah, this is what I want. How can I download this? Fucking hell, dude. I need to what? Okay. Okay, download MP3 finally. Audio. Flashbang. Okay, I found it, I think. That's just very loud, but that's wow, okay. Anyways, I think this will just work. Let me just... What the fuck? It doesn't switch theme though. It takes a lot of time to play it actually. Okay, I hope you're satisfied. I could find a better one actually.
Throwing flashbang. Deploying flashbang.
Yeah, I'm just gonna use this one actually. Okay. Can I play it only on the light theme? Anyways, guys, let's just move on. So VHS, right? Demo to tape. Let's try to generate it. If this doesn't work, I need to find a way to generate this in the CI or use a different machine, or find somebody who uses macOS and just ask them to generate this file and send it to me, or something like that. I think we already have a issue for this. I think it's in the website. Oh no, not in the website. I think it's in the main repo. Is this the actual, like the complete GIF or no? Nope. Okay, whatever. Let's see target demo 2 GIF. Yeah, it's still broken. I don't know why this happens, man. So, you know what? I'm gonna try it on a remote machine. So don't tell this to anyone, but Arch Linux has this remote machine. This is for building packages, but I'm just gonna do this little experiment. I'm just gonna do this little experiment over here. So I'm gonna use let's just clone the repo. Let's go to demo. No, I think it's in examples. Oh wow. Maybe we can patch this if it's a problem on the VHS side, but I have no idea. Oh my god, it's downloading a browser snapshot. I have no idea why. What? Lib NSS3, what is that? Dude, what the hell is that? Why do I need that? I just need to capture my terminal, man. Okay, whatever. So, okay. I guess this went under the radar. Okay. Any Mac users in the chat? One second, I am just checking my emails, filtering for Ratatouille stuff. Okay, there's one. It is what is your number, dude? Replacement for horizontal group of lines. Let me just see that. The implementation of inline text as a widget should be something I can handle quickly for the other 2 points. Let's dig into... Okay, cool. I need to just get myself familiar with this PR. I think that will be just enough because I am missing a lot of context here. So yeah, let's see the related issue. It's actually closed. Okay, let me see. Centered block titles truncate oddly. I think they haven't released this. Yeah, it's not released. Okay, so yeah, I see. This was already fixed in here. To make this smaller, I cannot read the code. Yeah, I see. It's just like some truncation logic, and that makes it work fine, I guess. Alright, so what's the other issue about replacement for horizontal group of lines, each with their own alignment? It's going to turn out larger than initially expected. Okay. Inline spacer. Okay, introduced inline, which allows multiple lines to be composed inline as a single unit. It behaves similar to a horizontal version of text. Panel spacing between each line. I also implemented spacer, which inserts horizontal gaps. Alright, interesting. How do I put multiple line parts on the same line aligned differently? So this is the inline widget, I think. Inline layout, okay. Oh no, line text, text. No. That will be bad. I don't want to do breaking changes. Okay, got it. Hello, Ritu Parna Ward what Care? I don't know. I butchered your name. Sorry. How's it going? Okay, let's take a look at the implementation now. It's probably huge. Yeah, it's like 2,000 lines. God damn. Inline. So what is this? Inline block composed of one or more lines with shared styling and layout. Looks quite clean actually. Okay, there are also tests, which is nice. Now the tests are just like taking a lot of lines. Okay, spacer. And how is this being integrated in the block is the most important thing. So titles inline from. Looks super clean. This looks super clean, wow. Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna give like the initial feedback. Just gonna say it looks very clean, and yeah, maybe I can do a review later, but just wanna say that first. Sure. Take your time. I think using the potentially using the spacing would be nice. Not sure if it is possible without making. I just had a quick look and this the all right. Okay, let me just take a look at my list of things again. So, wait, what issue was that? 1963. Okay. Also 1964. Which is another one. What happened to the music? Okay, just back. Alright. This is another one that I want to check. Set viewport height for inline terminal. See it in action. That's pretty cool actually. There's some type of permission model. Some terminal magic, man. But I can't really wrap my head around it. Yeah, so it's gonna be part of the 0.21 release. So that's good, which means, you know, it's not in hurry. Yeah, what happened to scroll up actually? It's a good question. Now it's like failing because of some functions that do not exist. It's what the hell? Okay, what's the... Okay, let me just check out this branch. It's a bit weird. What happened to scroll up? It's like an internal function. So now it just builds fine. That's a bit weird. Like I'm literally on the same branch, so... What the hell? Maybe it's because of the scrolling regions feature. Okay, got it. Scroll is only available when showing regions. Feature is not enabled. That's why passing features is failing the build, I guess. Let me just double check that. Okay, got it. So demo 2. Let's check that again. Be corrupted. That is bad. I'm just gonna try the older HS version, I guess. And just build it real quick.
Lucky.
Come on, dude, how big is this repo? Just stop. Okay, go to this examples again. This is a Go project, but it's like, how many dependencies do we have here? God damn. It is crazy. I should have just built it without running the tests. Now we're gonna wait for tests. Anyways, it's been built. That's the version flag, okay. Let's try again. Hopefully this will work and we'll be able to update the demo GIF. Alright, the moment of truth, let's check it. Just capture the build process. Just capture the build process, are you serious? Okay, let's regenerate it. Okay, now check.
It doesn't take much to poison a young man's soul,
No, it's still broken.
particularly a soul who hay helplessness.
Still broken with 0.9 for me. Okay, guys, I think I'm done for today. I'll see if there's anything else to do tomorrow, and I might do another live stream, maybe a short one. I'll try to keep these Ratworks ones like short, maybe 1 hour, one and a half hours, maybe 3 hours, but I don't know. You'll see. But yeah. Thanks for the stream, Mr. Streamer. Thanks for tuning in and letting me know about the guitar pedal thing. That's interesting. I'm gonna check that. So yeah, guys, just keep grinding. I don't have any other special message or any message for today. Just keep grinding, everybody. And I'll see you in the next one. Join Discord if you're interested. Link in the description. Hit the bell, subscribe. Yeah, whatever. Do you, okay? You do you and just grind. Take care. I'm out.